Disclaimer. I do use heat almost every single day on my mustache and my soul patch area. Okay, had to put that preface out there. Back to our regularly scheduled content. Whew. Hey guys, Dancy Bearded here. Welcome to the video. I appreciate you checking it out. Today, I'm going to talk about two situations that have more and more evolved in my life where I'm not using heat on my beard as a whole. As I already talked about, I will address my mustache and my soul patch, mainly because I like to have those areas dialed in. It helps me to eat, helps me to kiss, and this area just kind of gets a little wavy without the heat, which isn't a problem, but I just prefer to do that. But the rest of the beard, I used to use a blow dryer every single day, and I still do the majority of days. However, there have been two areas where I'm like, I'm going to skip the blow dryer today because, and we go into it. If you guys don't mind, real quick, thumbs up on the video. Thank you guys. Situation number one is when there is high humidity and heat. There's a couple of different ways to approach this, and nobody is right or wrong. It all comes down to personal preference. For me, when there is high humidity and heat, and I know I'm going to be outside for at least a substantial amount of time that day, I like to embrace the look. Now, when I have humidity, my beard gets a little bit wider, a little bit curlier and wavier, a little bit crazier, and a little bit shorter, right? Because when you get those curls and waves, it's not as straight, which doesn't make it as long. So it kind of bunches up a little bit. It's not as easy to get your fingers through. However, the other approach that people have is either do their normal routine, load it with a product like balm to lock in the style, or over straighten it so it comes back to the middle. Once you add that humidity, nothing wrong with any of those. Number one, I don't like balm personally, so I'm not doing that. Number two, the over straighten and come back, I feel like I have less control that way. I feel like I'm just leaving it up to luck or to hope that the humidity is going to bring it some way back. What I have found the best for me is to try and go with that style. Try and embrace the kind of texture, character, volume, girth that the humidity and the heat might bring to my beard and just lean into it. Fighting it became mentally taxing, and I was worried about it being perfect and dialed in, and it just wasn't possible. Whether we were on vacation in Florida, whether we went to the lake in Michigan, whether we're just outside in Columbus for a soccer tournament, it's just super hot and humid. I just said, I'm not going to go with that. I'm going to stay purposeful. I'm really going to dial in my mustache, the soul patch. My beard is still going to be purposeful. I'm going to do my wash, my conditioner. I'm going to comb. I'm going to use my oil. I'm going to style it before I leave the house, anticipating this boost of the humidity. And I found that that's been really good. I've enjoyed the look and style of it. Sam actually prefers it, and it's helped me out mentally a lot. So I want to put that out there because I'm very well known for using heat, but in that situation, I just don't. And I know some of you are watching and you're like, oh, Dan, I live in that situation. That's always. Now, it is only when I'm going to spend a lot of time outside, right? I know a lot of people in Arizona and Florida, and we have crazy temperatures there, but they tell me they go from AC to AC. They leave their car AC and they get into a building that's short away and they stay in there. In that situation, I'm not adjusting. If I'm going to be inside all day, if I'm going to be working, if I'm going to be presenting, if I'm going to be filming, then I am going to go with my normal heat routine. But if I know I'm going to be watching soccer, if I know we're going to have a family gathering outside, if we're going to be playing outside, then I do make those adjustments. So that's situation number one. Situation number two is pretty simple, and I can go either way with it, heat or not, but there are entire days where I do not use a blow dryer if I put my beard in a beard bun. If I just simply want that look that day because there's a certain shirt that works better with a beard bun, then I don't necessarily need the blow dryer. Do I think my beard feels a little bit better with heat? I do, right? I really do. But why would you take the day off? I don't know. Sometimes I just like that ability to throw it into a bun and not have to worry about the blow dryer routine. But Dan, you said your routine is therapeutic and you love it. I do. There's just a random time where it's like, you know what? It might be nice today to just toss it up into a bun, have a little bit of texture. Maybe I'm going to throw in some butter into that bun, which I don't wear butter during the day because I don't like to touch the beard and feel like there's butter residue. With a bun, I'm less likely to do that because I don't need to do this and adjust my styling. When it's in the bun, I'll put some butter in there, leave it up, and it's like deep nourishment during the day. And then I'll do it again at night after my shower. Woo, my beard feels great after that. So to wrap this up, you guys, 2 situations where I won't use a blow dryer on my beard all the time. If it's high heat and humidity and I'm gonna be outside, or if I wanna put my beard up into a beard bun. Let me know down below your thoughts on a blow dryer, your experience. Have you thought about similar situations? Do you have variables to consider? Open forum, guys. Let's make it happen. I'm just a dude that is sharing my journey, my thoughts, my experiences with my beard. My name is Dan C. Bearded. If you made it this far and you're not subscribed, I would highly, highly appreciate it if you consider it. Thank you to those returning subscribers, even more so to the people that watch all the way through. Speechless, like genuinely speechless as we approach 100K in the next several months. Unbelievable, you guys. Thank you so much. Most of you won't see this point, but those of you who do, you know how much it means to me. Please stay bearded and stay positive.